Hi everyone, welcome to Arsenia Creates. I am Gracie, and for this episode I am going to show you how to make a narrow hem. Narrow hem is a sewing technique that you have to learn in dressmaking. Most of the sewing patterns that require this technique will have a step-by-step guide on the instruction sheets. Before we start, if you are following a sewing pattern, it is important to check the given seam allowance on the instructions.
For this video, I will use 5/8 inch or 1.5 centimeters hem allowance as an example. I have noticed that some brands of sewing patterns have their different ways of doing a narrow hem. Some would tell you to baste your fabric first before folding it in, while some would just let you press your fabric right away. Let's try the one that requires to baste first. Using 5/8 inch or 1.5 centimeters hem allowance, machine baste your fabric from the raw edge. On the wrong side of the fabric, fold in along the stitching and then press. Open it again, then tuck under the raw edge to meet the stitching. Give another fold, then start pressing again. Finally, stitch hem in place. You may want to stitch it at the wrong side or the right side of your fabric. Doing a narrow hem is quite easy because it is just a simple straight line. Now, let's do this again, but this time without the baste. Since there is no guide for us this time, we will be using a sewing gauge ruler, or if you don't have any, a simple tape measure will do. On the wrong side of the fabric, fold in at 5/8 inch or 1.5 centimeters from the raw edge. Then give it a good press. Open again, then tuck it to the crease of the fabric. Give another fold, then press. Now you can stitch your hem in place. Making narrow hem is that easy. Just always remember to follow the required hem allowance on the sewing instructions that you are using.
And that is how you make a narrow hem. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video helps you, especially if you're a beginner in sewing. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe on this channel, Arsenia Creates, for more crafting and sewing. See you next time!